Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by locking down parental information. Note each phenotype, then infer possible genotypes. If a parent shows the dominant trait, consider two possibilities. If recessive, genotype is homozygous recessive. Once done, choose the correct allele symbols and note linkage or sex chromosome differences, because that changes the setup. Make sure to perform a test cross if uncertainty remains. It reveals hidden recessives. Immediately draw a simple grid framework for the Punnett square. This is where calculation begins and errors are easiest. You now translate alleles into gametes and fill the Punnett square. Place each parent's gametes along the margins, then combine across rows and columns. Write full genotypes in every box. Once all boxes are filled, count how many times each genotype appears. This gives raw counts. Next, map genotypes to phenotypes using dominance rules. If a masks A, group AA and A together for the dominant phenotype. Once counted, convert raw counts into proportions. You're halfway to ratios. You finish by converting counts into the final ratios. Add counts for identical genotypes, then reduce to simplest terms for the genotype ratio. Next, combine genotypes that produce the same appearance to produce the phenotype ratio. Express it as words, for example, 3:1 or 1:1. If numbers don't match expectations, reevaluate assumptions. Maybe there's linked inheritance, incomplete dominance, or a mistaken parental genotype. Troubleshooting, double-check gamete setup. Most errors come from wrong gamete placement.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.